2016 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. With less than 76,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. In addition to its fantastic fit and finish, you'll also get side view mirrors with turn signals, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.